Believe in yourself. Don't let anybody say you can't do anything, because you can do anything you want to do. You know, it's about your own willpower. I came home from prison in December 2014. I was just in a dark place. I was looking for employment. I was introduced to Humanim in January.
I think a lot of people don't know about the work that we do here at Humanim. People like Devin who come home, re-entry, or have not been working, they don't understand that we have the tools to direct them, give them some type of direction, putting them on a career path. And that's what we've done with Devin.
Baltimore's elite service training best helped me find a job and maintain a job up until this point, which is November 2015. Humanim also has enlightened me on how to manage my finances and build my credit.
We have a program, and in the program we have case managers, we have job developers, and we have facilitators, helping Devin get connected to resources that he needed to overcome his barriers.
In those dark times, when you're alone, and, you know, you feel like you don't have anyone, you know, Humanim gives you that backbone and make you feel like you have someone. You know, I came home feeling like nobody was going to give me a chance, nobody cared, but when I was introduced to Humanim, everybody cared.